All right, folks, good morning. All right, let's get started. So, for today, Friday, March 28th, we have the following information. We had core PCE price index month over month came in better than expected. Personal income and personal spending month over month uh, came in better than expected and less than expected. At 10 a.m., we're going to have revised U of M consumer sentiment, which is a moderately important report. Then we're going to have revised U of M inflation expectations, which is a low impact report. At 12:15 p.m. Eastern, we'll have FOMC member Barr speaking, which we expect to have low impact. FOMC member Bostic will speak at 3:45 p.m., which will have low impact expected as well. All right, looking at the QQQ ETF, here's what we have so far. The QQQ ETF currently poised to open slightly lower than where it closed yesterday. Yesterday's action was very neutral. We did find an opportunity yesterday for JD.com, but it did not work out. Uh, so that was it for the coaching room as far as opportunities that I identified. Having said that, let's take a look at the pre-market and see what's going on there. All right, so here's what we have so far. First up is DBVT. All right, DBVT currently is up 59% on over 5 million shares. It's at least $1 per share, so we will add that to our pre-market watch list. DBVT is the symbol. All right, um, next up is microalga MLGO, which had a strong day yesterday. Currently, microalga is up less than 6%. So that doesn't qualify at the moment, but in the event that does get past 6%, we'll add it. So I'm going to put that on the list of things to change. I'll put that on our possibilities list. Next up is PRTG, which is presently up 163% on 11 million shares. It's at least $1 per share. So we'll go ahead and add that to our pre-market watch list, PRTG. Next up is TSLA. Actually, no. Next up is WOLF, which is, oh, that's a NASDAQ stock. I'm sorry, that's a NYSE stock. Never mind. All right, so that's everything I've seen so far. If you folks see any other stocks meeting our criteria, let me know in the chat. These are the two that I've found so far. So if you see any others that meet all four of our criteria, let me know in the chat. We'll take a look. Or WIMI is mentioned. Or that currently is up 17% on 8.2 million shares, but it is under $1 at the moment. I'll put that on our possibilities list, but I'm not sure if that will be qualified or not. Okay, RKLB is next. That is presently up 6.79% on 1.2 million shares, is at least $1 per share. So we'll go ahead and add that to our list. Next up is TNON. Presently, that is down 7.86% on 1.2 million shares, is at least $1 per share. So we'll go ahead and add that to our list. And next up is MSTU, which is, I think MSTU is a, let me see here. Is that NYSE? I guess that's, yeah, that might be MSTU probably is a New York listed symbol. So yeah, that's probably a New York listed symbol. So we'll go ahead and wrap up for today's Premarket Pulse. Please be sure to like the video. I see we have 5 likes, more than 5 people watching, so please be sure to hit the like button, which greatly helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you get notifications when we produce a new video. If anyone's watching this broadcast on a replay after we've already broadcasted, of course, and you're not familiar with our company, check out fundertrading.com, our website. You'll see a link in the description to this video. Other than that, for everyone who's part of the coaching program, I'll see you there in about 24 minutes. We'll pick up for today's session. Other than that, folks, have a great weekend. I'll see you for Monday's Pre-Market Pulse. Take care.